use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
This looks really good. Nice. Well, I like your seat.
Oh, yeah, and I put a wood back on the seat. It makes it feel about 3 dB louder.
Less pressure block.
Less pressure block.
And if you burp, are you able to fold it down?
I can scoot it all the way forward or fold it down, or both.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. It also, I mean, you'll see when you just hear it how much
yes, sir.
Louder it makes it feel.
Yeah. So, what's in here real quick and your name, just so I don't have
Mike.
a video. Okay. Mike.
There's 6 DB 3512Rs. These are 2 of the DB Korean 20Ks. And then I've got the DB 180.4. It's running at 1 ohm to 4 6.5s and 4 tweeters. Each one of the 20Ks is wired at about 0.6.
Okay.
And then 240 amp hour lithium. Single 400 amp volt.
Nice. Have you done any kind of numbers for SPL or clamping? How much power do you get out of it with a burp?
SPL I have not. I have clamped it, and I clamped about right at 24,000.
Okay. So good bit of rise. Yeah.
Good bit of rise, yeah.
So 12K per amp after rise.
Yeah, but these are also 18 volt amps, so they're 20K at 18 volts. They're 12K at 14 volts.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah, and then at 16 volts, they're 16K. So, you know, realistically, when I'm dropping down or in that 13, 14 volt range, they're 12Ks, which is exactly what I'm getting out of them.
That's awesome.
So,
all right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Looks good.
Anything specific you want to hear?
Oh, something windy. Something that plays lower frequency.
Something plays lower.
Not too low, but you know, something that does really
I don't play too low. I don't play much below about 25.
Yeah, that's good. Like 26, 28.
Centering glass and tapping asses.
Definitely has better airflow. You feel a little bit more wind and
A little bit more.
pretty brutal. The roof don't flex too much either.
The roof and the doors took away almost all my flex. If you try to take a video from the outside now, it looks like I don't have any bass because nothing's moving.
Which is a good thing.
It is a good thing.
Only thing moving is your side doors. You can't stop that.
Yeah.
And you built all this yourself?
100%.
Very nice.
I still got to do a center console. Still got to finish the roof. I'm not done.
Yep.
Work's been crazy busy lately. I haven't been able to get to it.
Yes, sir. Looks good.
You want to hear anything else?
Oh. Put something with this window up on a high note or so.
It's actually not as loud sealed, but I'll play a higher note with it up.
Okay.
But it's not as loud sealed.
Oh, so it does better windows down?
It does better with both windows down.
Okay.
Loudest thing I got still this, same as it was before.
window down, actually, it is
louder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the way your cabin reacts to it.
Once I whittled the roof and put the wood doors in, it was louder
Wow.
louder like that.
That actually is a good thing for being a demo vehicle, the way you
Yeah.
had it built. That's nice.
I didn't even run the lanes today. Couldn't even tell you what it does.
Yes, sir. Nice job. I appreciate the demo. Thank you very much,
Yes, sir.
Michael. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the demo. I really enjoyed it. This is probably the top 2 or 3 loudest blow-throughs. It is really clean, and I like the back end. Everything you've done a really good job on.
I really appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thanks, Michael, man.
Thanks, man. Have a good day, Jacob.
You too. Some nice subflex action through the flexi.